Tips for affiliate marketers of all levels. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. As you can see, it is a very big world complete with all kinds of programs, products, and plans. The fact that there are many ways to approach this type of marketing can make it seem hard to find what will work for you. The tips below can give you some suggestions. If you do not have your own website to promote affiliate products on, then create one. A website is a great place to communicate with potential buyers and market affiliate products. On the website include relevant videos, useful product reviews, and your contact information so that customers can get in touch. Use long-tail keywords to promote your affiliate marketing product. To do this, search for your product using Google's free keyword tool. Choose keywords that have a moderate following, as opposed to those that attract millions of hits. By doing this, you will reduce your competition and have a better chance of getting higher search engine rankings. Make a content site with affiliate links, not an affiliate site with some content added as an afterthought. Web surfers are a smart bunch. They can generally tell when a site exists only to pitch a product or service. Choose a topic you are passionate about and write videos about it, then research affiliate products that dovetail naturally with the subject. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're doing business with the right company. A good company will be interested in your success. They should provide you with resources that will help you generate traffic, and they should also help you with any problems you may encounter. The most successful affiliate marketers never drop a naked link to an affiliate product into a loosely related webpage. Savvy webmasters use focused content to lead to affiliate product links. Reviews, fact sheets, and the gentlest of sales pitches are good ways to lead website visitors to an affiliate link and get them in a receptive frame of mind. Remember that when working with an affiliate program, you are going to be getting paid each month for clients that you refer to their site. Make sure that the company that you are referring people to is going to provide great customer service, or it will reflect badly on you. When trying to better your affiliate marketing business, all content produced should have positive language. Even phrases with slight negative connotations are not permissible. If you want to increase the money you make with affiliate marketing, consider adding videos to your website. As an affiliate marketer, your number one goal is to increase traffic to your website. Having videos on your website is a great way to do this. Google will rank your site higher if it contains both video and text. In the world of affiliate marketing, there are many techniques that you have at your disposal to promote your business. The world of affiliate marketing has a little something for everyone, but what works for one person may not for another. Hopefully, these tips have given you a starting point for your own marketing plans. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.